Here's a question for you. How many React Native tutorials have you started and never actually finished? If you're like most developers, the answer is probably too many to count. And that's okay, that's not your problem. In this video, I'm about to show you what's wrong with traditional online education and why it's keeping you in tutorial hell, and how 25 developers can break out of this cycle. It's a fact that everything nowadays is moving at lightning speed. New libraries, new frameworks, new best practices, new tools. AI is disrupting everything. So the problem is that you're trying to keep up with everything. You're starting tutorials, you're buying courses, you start a lot of things, and instead of getting better, you actually feel more lost than ever. Because here's the thing. Nowadays, in the abundance of information and content, you don't need more information. What you need is a structure, you need guidance to know what to focus on, and you need accountability from others to make sure that you are progressing on your journey and you're getting better every single day. From working with more than 1,200 students at our academy and teaching millions on YouTube, what I realized throughout the years is that the developers that learn and grow the most are not the ones who are watching more tutorials, but they're the ones who are building more. They're the ones who are joining every single group coaching call, they're asking questions, they get help when they are stuck, and they're always in the game, always building something and asking like, what should I do next? So that made me think more about what would the perfect learning environment would be for a developer that wants to master React Native and have the confidence of building mobile applications with ease. And I came to realize that it needs a couple of aspects. First of all, it would need a very well-designed curriculum that would take the student from anywhere in his journey and will help him master and get good at most important things that you need when building mobile applications with React Native. This preferably would be video lessons that people can watch on their own time, because everyone has their own schedule, everyone is busy, they have work, maybe university, they have kids. So video lessons, I saw that it's working best because people can consume it on their own time. But besides video lessons that you watch and follow along, what's important is the workshop assignments. This is something that I realized quite recently that is having a very huge impact on people's ability to retain everything that they learn, is the fact that they are getting an assignment and they work on their own to implement it. This is where most of the learning is happening. Another crucial aspect would be access to experienced developers that you can ask help or guidance whenever you hit a wall, whenever you feel stuck, or when you have some doubts about some complex architectural stuff. You'll also need accountability, because without accountability, we are starting a lot of things and life gets into our way and we never finish them. So we need to be kept accountable to make sure that we finish what we start. And lastly, I think a community of other people that are going through the same program and the same pace with which you can exchange ideas, you can exchange experience and share wins is also an important aspect. With these principles in mind, we got to work with the whole notJust.dev team to make this a reality. And today, I'm happy to announce the biggest program that we have ever launched. Welcome to the React Native Summer Bootcamp. 25 developers, 8 weeks, and one goal in mind: mastering React Native by building production application and being coached directly by me and my team. Here is exactly how it works. Starting on June 16th, for the 8 weeks, you and 24 other developers are going to go through a structured program with weekly milestones where you're going to build applications, you're going to learn, you're going to get guided and coached by me and the notJust.dev team. Every Monday, you're going to unlock a new module focused on one major topic related to mobile development and React Native. During the week, you're going to follow the video lessons at your own pace, whenever it works best for you, and you're going to build the weekly project, which might be a social media application, a fitness tracker, or even a 2D game. After watching the lessons, you're going to apply everything that you learned during that week into a practical workshop assignment where you're going to build another project on your own. This is where most of our learnings are happening, because by practicing you actually learn and you discover the gaps that maybe you thought you understood a concept, but you need a little bit more help with that. And we're always going to be here to make sure to help you and unblock you on the way. On the following Monday, you are going to join a group coaching session where you can ask questions. We can dive deeper into some topics which were more challenging. We can discuss the solutions to your assignments, and we're going to help you move towards your goals. On top of that, you also get workshops that I've never offered anywhere else. Here I'm talking advanced animations, optimization, monetization, maybe App Store optimization, or AI accelerated development. By August 10th, you'll have built more than 10 applications with React Native, and we're not talking about like simple demos or things that you're going to throw away. We're talking about real applications, production grade applications that you can add to your portfolio, or you can showcase to your friends and family at the next dinner. But more importantly, you'll have proof that you can start what you finish, and the confidence that comes from 8 weeks of constant delivery and growing. For example, Daniel, a student from our academy, has built 2 applications and published them to the store and is working on his 3rd one. Sol has launched his dream AI startup in a couple of weeks after joining, and Liz, just watching the 2nd module, she continued working on that project and she launched an AI quiz application to the store called Quiz Genie. After launching that project, she was invited to multiple job interviews. And these are not just outliers. This is what happens when you combine a proven curriculum with accountability and guidance from experienced developers. But here is what you need to know. I'm only taking 25 developers. That's it. This model is not very scalable. We cannot scale it to 100 developers because in that case, I wouldn't be able to provide you the guidance, the personalized guidance that a bootcamp needs. So that's why we're limiting this to only 25 people, and we are starting on June 16th. The enrollment closes on June 15th, and that's a couple of days from now. There is not a lot of time left to join and enroll into the bootcamp. Right now, we still have early bird discounts for the next few spots, and the principles is simple: first come, first served. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're tired of starting tutorials that you never finish, and you finally want to build applications that you are proud of, if you need the guidance and the accountability to make sure you hit your goals, then this is the moment. Enroll now in the Summer Bootcamp following the link in the description, or going to notJust.dev/bootcamp. Don't tell yourself that you're going to think about this tomorrow, because by tomorrow the spot might already have been filled and the early bird discounts will definitely be gone. If you're serious about mastering React Native and building mobile applications with confidence, then you cannot afford missing this opportunity. We have our first call on June 16th, and I cannot wait to start working with you. See you there.